What's that? Now, teeth.
What did you just do to Daddy?
Take a fart.
And what did you say?
Take a big away. Can you save me a hand? Thank you so
You're
much.
so silly.
Take a big whiff. Take a big whiff. Take a big whiff. Take a...
Chloe, what's out tonight?
What do you want?
Flea stack.
What is this flea stack?
It's a monster that's green and ugly, and it comes out and haunts you every night.
That was perfect acting.
What is she talking about, Cohen?
Flea stack.
And it makes that kind of noise. Dad, I want to with you.
Oh, honey, Sissy's just kidding.
Yeah.
You don't like the sound of a flea stack?
No. Stop.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Jeez, there's no flea stacks out.
Yes, there is, Cohen.
Have to punch me in the eyeball. Don't do that.
I'll save you, Dad.
Chloe, go and stop it.
No, it's not.
I'm gonna let the flea stacks get you.
He'll get up and go in the house.
Are you recording? Huh? Where are you?